It's the last week of April, and I want to remove some of the dead grass that one of our typical cold and snowy winters has left me. I'm using the Scarifying Attachment on my real mower for this job. Most people around here call this dethatching, but it's really just a good spring raking. Welcome back, lawn lovers. BW here again. Hey, it's time for some spring lawn care. I'm just removing dead grass blades that died from repeated freeze-and-thaw cycles over the winter. Other people dethatch with a different attachment called a verticutter. A verticutter can cut through stolons and root-like material, often grown on the soil surface by warm season grasses in lawns hundreds of miles south of where I live. I shot this video last spring. It's the only way I can produce a video on spring lawn care and get it out to you in time to use the information in your lawn care routine. So now I can't wait for spring to finally get here so that I can get out there, enjoy the weather, and do this again. You could do this with a hand rake, but it's a lot of work, and it'll give you blisters in no time. This Scarifying attachment has many soft, spring-like things that rake out the dead grass and do very little damage to the live grass. Several new and affordable electrically powered rakes are available now, and I've heard that they do a great job. The attachment I'm using is so gentle, it's safe for me to do this any time of year. I wouldn't use anything else except in spring or fall when the grass is healthy and rapidly growing. I have a grass catcher for this mower that I could use, but it fills up too fast, making me run to the bin all the time. If I had a lot of stones or debris in the lawn, I would use the catcher to collect it all. I'm getting more dead grass out with every pass. I made 3 passes from different directions. Later, when I did the backyard, I discovered that I could remove just as much dead grass with 1 pass if I set the Scarifier to a lower, more aggressive setting. Now I'll blow the dead grass off the edges of the lawn. Then gather it up with a mower. Hopefully this mower will chop up the grass and pack it better, so I don't have to make so many trips to the bin. Unfortunately, this little battery-operated mower isn't working well for this job. These recycling mowers, especially these battery ones, don't develop enough lift or suction to pick up all the loose grass. So next time, I'll use the bagger on my big mower, as I did here in the backyard. That worked a lot better. I learn more about using this attachment every time I use it. Now get out there and have some fun on your lawn. And remember, you can do it.